In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made wax polish using candle. Take a candle and cut it into small pieces. To find its volume, I am filling a glass with water up to the brim. When I put candle pieces in it, water falls out in a container. The volume of water in the container is equal to the volume of the candle. Here I am pouring the water in a glass container and marking its volume. Take a pan and melt the candle in it. Take out the candle wicks. Take equal amount of coconut oil as wax and half amount of mustard oil and put it in the pan and mix it well. Now pour it in a glass or a metal container and let it cool. And it's ready to use. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe for more such DIYs.